brand new, VAT qualifying, Bespoke Urban Defender 110 XS, 74, latest registration, only a couple of days old, in Santorini Black, with all that urban bespoke styling, so the car just looks absolutely tremendous. The badging, the inserts, the wide arch kit, the pod lights, 22-inch wheels, steps. But not only does it look great on the outside, it's an XS. XS gives you air suspension, heated seats, cooled seats, sliding sunroof, fridge, wireless charging, all the things you would want. But I think very important with this car, it's priced $84,995. That includes VAT. Adaptive auto headlights, it's all colour coded underneath, so all the undersections into the wide arches are done in gloss black. I touched on the wheels, 22-inch urban bespoke styling wheels, again transform the way the car looks. The inserts on the wings in gloss black, privacy glass, gloss black roof rails, signature graphic with the urban logo, and then as we move to the rear, we've got spoiler, spare wheel cover, clear lights, so it looks fabulous from the rear, all colour coded on the rear bumper. And then you've got the big Land Rover mud flaps as well on the back, which just again finish off the look. Huge boot space with it being a 110. Them seats drop down. There's an air suspension button there as well if you need to drop the car down, if you're getting luggage in or dog in. The air suspension also makes such a difference to how the car drives and performs. But on an XS model, they put that on as standard, if you like. Keyless entry, walk to the car, press the button. I'll show you in the back first. We've got ebony leather in the rear. Car is as you would expect, it's brand new, so you've got 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover Assist, little rear charging points, all your ISOFIX. And then into the front, and I can really show you the extras on this car with it being an XS. So other things I haven't even mentioned: memory seat, Meridian speaker system, illuminated kick plates. Also one thing as well, on a lot of the Defenders, they're not all full leather. So this has got full leather, obviously, which is heated and ventilated as well. Heated steering wheel, cruise control, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Just an all-round high-spec Defender with all the styling and VAT qualifying and a 74. Doesn't really get better, really. Heated wheel, as I've mentioned. ClearSight camera up here. Then you've got your tilt and sliding sunroof. I'll move down here and just show you again. Fridge, wireless charging. And then into our seats. Not only have you got heated seats, you have got ventilated seats in the front. Things like wireless Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, multimedia, Alexa. There's an air suspension button there as well, so you can operate the air suspension from the front. And that's it. As soon as this goes live, and I say it, every time we get a VAT qualifying, brand new, urban styled car like this, they sell. First 74 plate one we've had. That's what I think is very important. If you want to get it reserved, the number's on the bottom of the screen. Call me, WhatsApp me, and get this car reserved.